So what we'll do is we'll just start with 45 pounds on the incline
Okay.
bench. Yeah, yeah, I know. Yeah, 45 pounds on the incline bench, and just take it from there. Just sort of see how it feels. So remember, just trying to push it straight up, and elbows in front of the bar. Can you still see us?
I think I need to bring the bench out just a little bit more.
What do you see, Pumpkin? Let me see. Up. Elbows still behind the bar. That's what Emory saw. Don't laugh at her. All right, rack it up, Joanne. Joanne, I really forward like 5 inches, because if you were to go straight up,
Okay.
I think you would have hit. I think you would have hit the J hooks.
Yeah.
Yeah. She's just having a blast.
She's happy. There's a lot to be
She's
said.
happy.
Being happy.
She's happy. Yeah. She's having a real good time.
Seeing how it works.
Yeah, she was looking at you. She was laughing at you a little bit. I told her not to laugh. She's the one who saw your elbows. Yeah. Now she's hitting daddy. Yeah. Eating crackers. Just a mess. What do you think? What do you think?
She's just too cute.
Oh, she's a little cutie pie. She really wants daddy's ear.
Yeah.
She really wants daddy's ear.
Oh. All right.
And so we'll just keep it here at the same weight.
Okay.
And the only way you were able to get that bar up straight is if you pushed it forward in front of the J hooks. That was the only way you were able to get it forward.
Just pull his earphones off and see crack.
Are you done, Punky? Are you done? Are you still contributing? Hold on, let's watch. Let's watch. Let's just both watch. All right. Let's both watch. What do we see? Touch higher on your chest, Joanne. Touch higher. Elbows in tighter, closer to your feet. Elbows, feet, or chest. Okay. Starting to get there.